Let's hear it for Nigel on the drums. Nigel! Nigel is such a good drummer.
Oh, Nigel.
Nigel! Nigel!
Nigel! Nigel! Nigel!
Oh, man. Is that on film somewhere?
Oh.
I'm going to put that all over Facebook. He's Phil. I'll finish with this. I saw a little choo-choo train setting off there, JD. Yeah. I just think you're going to head up a choo-choo train of the gospel, yeah? I just believe you got that in you, man. I see it on you. I see it. There's somebody here. I just feel there's somebody here who's going to start up a choo-choo train right now. Well, the gospel train is coming through when you get on board. Well, the gospel train is coming through when you get on board. Everybody's got an upgrade, compliments of the Lord. I feel a trembling coming, trembling at the goodness of God. I feel a trembling coming, trembling at the goodness of God. The fear is vanquished, expelled by perfect love. I'm hearing shouts of freedom. Somebody's gonna get free tonight. I'm hearing shouts of freedom. Somebody's gonna get free tonight. Saying, why would I crawl in darkness when I can walk in the light? Take it away on the guitar, come on. Come around here, come on, round, round, and round, and round, and round. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, so. Well, the gospel train is coming through when we get on board. Well, the gospel train is coming through when you get on board. Everybody's got an upgrade, confidence of the Lord. Okay, I want to bring the train into the station. This is the station. Come on, come on, come on in. Come into the choo-choo station, yeah? We could go round and round and round. Woo-hoo! Let me hear. Woo-hoo! Let me hear. Woo-hoo! 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 Well, the gospel train is coming through when you get on board. Well, the gospel train is coming through when you get on board. Everybody's got an upgrade, compliments of the Lord. Well, one thing he might ask you when you meet him face to face. One thing he might ask you. Well, one thing he might just ask you when you meet him face to face. He might just ask you this. Did you know I've always loved you? Every day. Well,